The bike starts at altitude 0. Every gain value changes the current altitude, so the whole problem is just a running sum and a running maximum. Return the highest altitude reached after applying the gain values in order, starting from 0. There is a biker going on a road trip. The road trip consists of n+1 points at different altitudes. The biker starts his trip on point 0 with altitude equals 0. Example 1 ends with answer 1. The altitudes are 054116. The highest is 1. Example 2 ends with answer 0. The altitudes are 047910.631. The highest is 0. The important sizing limits are n equals gain.length, 1 lesser equal n lesser equal 100, and minus 100 lesser equal gain I lesser equal 100. This is exactly what prefix sums are for. We do not care only about the final altitude. We care about the highest prefix total seen during the whole route. Each new altitude equals the previous altitude plus the next gain value. So in practice, start with altitude 0, add gains 1 by 1, and track the maximum altitude reached anywhere along the path. The example makes the pattern easy to remember. Generate the running totals and keep the best one. The running altitudes are 0, -5, -4, 1, 1, -6, so the highest altitude is 1. So the walkthrough goes in order. First, the first altitude is always 0, then every later altitude reuses the previous one, and finally the maximum over that running list is the answer. For the deeper version, the important thing is not more code first. It is naming the invariant that makes every local move safe. The long version should pause on the invariant or the local rule that makes the solution reliable, not just on the final code. So in practice, name the rule that says true while scanning, connect that rule to the pointer or state movement, and then the implementation feels natural. The code keeps only 2 numbers, the current altitude and the best altitude seen so far. In the code, focus on 2 checkpoints. Watch where the answer updates inside the loop, then notice which values return to finish the reasoning. Here is the full running sum solution. It is short because prefix sum reasoning is short once the state is clear. In the code, focus on 2 checkpoints. Watch where the answer updates inside the loop, then notice which value is returned to finish the reasoning. This is linear time and constant space, and it is a very friendly prefix sum warm-up problem. 1 pass over gain is enough. So in practice, time complexity, O(n), extra space, O1, and this is the running sum plus running maximum pattern. For more LeetCode practice, follow and subscribe to the channel. This is AI and human collaboration.